Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Matt. I got a musty one type little thing for you today. I was just driving down the road and I saw a little tiller cultivator sitting on the side of the road. So I stopped and picked it up. It was in somebody's trash, you know. It's a Honda FG110. I've used one of these before. It's a good little tiller. It's great for after the garden's planted. You can get in there and in between your rows and really clean things up nicely. So it's a little 4-stroke engine on there. I haven't looked at it at all yet. Let's go ahead and check this thing out. So I'm hoping I can get this thing running right now, just for camera purposes. It's not stuck. Doesn't feel like it has a ton of compression. Check the oil. Well, it's got plenty of oil. Maybe even over full a little bit. Fuel tank is, it's got a little bit of old gas in it, but not even worth draining. It's just a teeny little bit. The choke lever is missing. Maybe that's why they threw it out. They couldn't get it to run. I don't know what the deal is with that, but we can do that manually just for proof of concept to see if it runs. Make sure you guys can see. This little gizmo right here is your choke. When you close the choke, it closes off this intake, which pulls more fuel into the motor, helps it start, and then after it's running, you open up the choke and it lets the air go. So let's put a little bit of gas in it and see if we can't get this thing to pop off. That should be plenty to get her running. Doesn't make for a good video if this thing starts right up, but I sure hope it does. So our little choke there is closed. Let's prime it. All right. Primer bulb works. Just about got all the air out of it. Alright, kill switch is in the on position. Let's see what she does. Oh, second pull. Let's open that choke up a bit. Oh yeah. Look at that. I love when Yuppies throws good stuff out. This is perfect for the garden. Look at the throttle response. Sweet! Now it's only got 2 tines on there. There should be 2 more. I'm sure I can jump online and order those pretty cheap. Let's turn the air filter back on it and see what it does with some topsoil real quick. I noticed the air filter is a little oil saturated, so we'll see if it'll run with that. Couldn't remember how it went on for a second. Looks like it's running good now. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, this isn't my garden or anything. This is just a random little patch in the woods here. So it's virgin ground. Let's see how this thing does. thing's a little beast. I can't believe somebody just threw that out. Well guys, that's the deal of the week right there. It doesn't get much better than that. I'm thrilled. I can't wait to plant the garden now, because having one of these makes it so great. After the garden's planted and the weeds start to come up through, you can just run this thing right in and around the plants and not hurt them. It's fantastic. No more hoeing for me. So that's it for this week's One Take Wednesday, guys. Let me know down in the comments the best thing you've ever found for free on the side of the road. I'd have to say this is probably in my top 5. Also, if you have any experience with these little tillers or even just these little Honda engines, let me know the good, the bad, the ugly on them. I've never really got to mess with one more than to run one for a minute. So, also, if you follow me on Instagram, or even if you don't, go over to Instagram and check me out on there. And tag me in your quarantine beard challenge. I need some thumbs up so I can keep this thing. I'm fighting the good fight here on the home front. The missus does not like the quarantine beards. Lastly, guys, if you like the video, be sure you hit that thumbs up button. It helps me, it helps the channel. So other than that, I'll catch you guys on Friday. Later.